Okay, so we just did a 3-minute and 49-second video for you guys, and it didn't work.
No.
The sound didn't
Let me
work.
in.
Sorry, well, you were texting. The sound didn't work, so that was a waste of 4 minutes of our life. And
Just about.
so, yeah. I know this video isn't going to be as clever and as funny as the last video, but
Don't even remember what we talked about in the
neither
last one.
neither do I. But yeah. So we are here at the Best Western Hotel.
Still.
Yes.
In Newport.
Yep, in Newport. Okay, they're gonna like stalk us.
Nah.
But
I'm just kidding, we're not in Newport.
we're in Canada.
Do they even have Best Western?
Canada.
Oh, they probably do.
Well, I don't know. Like in all of North America, they
What
probably
do they do in Canada? Eat
bacon.
bacon,
Well,
and
Canadian bacon,
whatever.
which is ham. So
Yeah.
they eat ham.
but they probably don't call it Canadian
And
bacon
they
in
probably
Canada.
eat
And
well, they
play
probably-
hockey. They do a lot of that.
and eat maple leaves.
Yeah, maple leaves and maple sugar and maple syrup and
pancakes.
I love pancakes.
Yum, 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 yum.
I had terrible pancakes this morning.
I had good French toast. Filled up my belly. Belly. And then I had some sausage. She had some Canadian bacon.
I did. That was better than the pancakes. I was
See?
not pleased.
See, Katie has a tendency to get pancakes for breakfast and eat none of them. None of them.
I had some of them.
I ate all of my French toast. She didn't have any of her
I know,
pancakes.
you always eat more than me.
How many pancakes did you have? Three? Three?
Yeah. How many did I eat? A half of one.
A quarter of one.
Yeah, but I showed that pancake who's boss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, Katie said that they were too fried for her. That was her excuse for not eating
They
them.
didn't taste good. They were crispy. Pancakes are supposed to be crispy. Ugh.
Crispy pancakes. Yeah.
I didn't like them.
Yeah.
I don't have to eat things
This
I don't like.
laptop's really hot on my legs. It's kind of warm and cool. Okay, so
Okay.
tonight we are staying in a different hotel room.
Than last night.
Yes, right. Because my aunt wanted a bigger room, so
She did.
we will show you around. This is the couch. That is the door and stuff. Then we'll take you over to the bathroom.
That's a good one.
Oh, you can't see because it's dark. It's okay. Here's a TV. Ooh, TV. Here's a little dining area. Ooh, nice. Here's a window. One window. Ready? And we have another window. 2 windows. Ooh. And this is the bed. Look at the bed. Wow. And this is a mirror. Ooh, mirror. Look at the mirror. This is another TV. Wow. Look it. Can you guys see the bridge? I don't know. Ooh, yeah, look at that bridge. Okay.
Yeah, that's the Canadian bridge.
Okay. Okay. So, now that we showed you around, we have something to tell you. Big news. Katie. Big news about this room.
Oh, yeah. Oh, guess who stayed here right before we did?
Britney Spears.
No.
Jessica Simpson.
No.
Ashton Kutcher.
No.
Who?
Think older and less attractive.
Elvis Presley.
No.
Who?
The Temptations.
Oh
Yeah. Yeah. I think there's only like 2 guys left out of the original one.
Yeah, and
But
then
that
kind of
still
like
counts.
throw in a couple new guys
Yeah.
to spice up their flair. But yeah. So
That's
they
still pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Music fans out there.
Yeah.
Like
So they
that.
stayed in this hotel, you know. And they stayed in the one next to us, so it went black.
They probably didn't even see that it went back, but we did.
Oh, the screen went black, okay.
Yeah, just memo.
But yeah.
Yeah, the room still smells like cheap cologne, so I'm not really sure what that's saying about the Temptations. But, yeah.
Yeah, you know, too bad you guys can't smell up the aroma.
Oh, and guess what's going on underneath us right now.
Mm-hmm.
Right now.
Boom, boom, boom. Da-da-da, boom, boom.
That's Gianna lingo for party.
Yeah.
Bachelor party.
Mm-hmm.
Congrats.
for the happy new couple. I think they're getting married tomorrow, but...
Well, let's hope he doesn't screw it up at the bachelor party.
Yeah. Don't screw it up down there!
Yeah, you tell him. Yeah.
But, yeah, so they are kind of being loud. Kind of calmed it down right now, but...
Yeah.
But they're, you know, playing the music since 7. It's been about 2 hours, you know, starting the party early.
Might as well.
You know, we saw
Don't
them...
be too hungover in the morning.
Yeah, we saw them earlier, though. They were getting some drinks and stuff, and...
Getting crunk.
Yeah, we saw some man with a blow-up doll around his neck. That was cute.
She was cute.
Mm-hmm.
It was classy.
Yeah, it was.
In fact, yeah.
But her mouth was not open. I will tell you that. Her mouth was closed.
Yeah.
So, that tells you something, right?
Mm-hmm. Respect.
That tells you something about her.
Respect.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah, so we're hoping they don't, I don't know, party all night, because we're not partiers. We need to sleep.
Yeah.
But, they better calm it down, or I'm going to have to do something about that. We tried jumping to see if they could hear us, but they didn't.
No response.
I think they just were too into their manly selves or something. I don't know.
There's some girls down there, too, though.
Yeah, I think
don't
that's
know if
illegal.
That's allowed.
No girls at bachelor parties.
Unless they're strippers.
Guess there's
Which
strippers down there then.
Unless
it was that blow-up doll.
Spaking.
Unless it was the blow-up doll. You never know.
It might be.
Yeah. She was making some noise. That's all I have to say.
Having a good night.
Yeah. Well, she's having a better night than us.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see you guys later, but
Bye.
Yeah. Peace.